evening, everybody. Welcome to another video. What is inside? Alright, so I've got two items here today that I'm going to be taking apart for you guys and showing you guys what is inside. And sorry, the first one, I've already taken the screw out of this one, but take out the whole thing. So this is a lampshade that they used. We used to use these on our lamps in the hotel, in the rooms. So there's a little knob in here that clicks, yes, on and off. So I've already taken the screw out of this one. This one didn't really have anything like really cool like the some stuff that I've done. But it's still a pretty neat object to see. Just like when you're going into a hotel room, like it shows you what's inside. So that was the back. There's a wheel. There's a screw in here. Those are for these little bits. Some chains, because then this hand shows you. So this and this were where the cable for the lamp would go. That would get your circuit for the electricity to go through. So you turn the lamp on, turn the lamp off. So these were connectors in here. And then there's your little wheel. So that's that. That one was pretty simple to take apart. The next one, this one I had to work on for a while to get the screws out. It actually got, like, I don't know if you can see on my finger, but I did get a little nick on it. So these are called self-test GFCI outlets. There is no wall plate with this one. This one was a dud, and there's screws here. There was a screw in the top, screw two on the side, and then on the bottom there's two screws on the bottom. So I've taken the screws out. I haven't opened this one up yet to see what it looks like. As you can see, these are reset and test. And before I even got these, they made sure, they triple check just to make sure. And these were doubts, these do not work. So these were just going to go, and we replaced all, I think they replaced all the ones in the hotel. So the maintenance guys I used to work with gave me one of these, and they're like, here, use it on your channel. So thank you, Bob. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the top off. Still get that part off because it's part. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Okay, so you actually get to see the one where the one button is. So there's the faceplate. So the one button came off. That's the reset button that's on there. And if you look inside, there's a little spring. Obviously this doesn't work. That's just Mercedes. And then yeah. Obviously I can't really take a look at and see what's in here, but I probably could, but it's just there's two little screws in here. No, these are tiny. I'd have to get like I'd have to use like a super small screw. I could actually take this off. Whoa, that's awesome. Okay, so this is underneath. How many people did I just scare there? Like I might escape myself. I didn't even know this was in here. Bob didn't tell me there was a circuit in there. Nice little circuit board. Sorry, it's not in a. So that's the circuit, that's the motherboard or the circuit board. You can tell it doesn't work. It's got that it's got that smell because it hasn't been working in like a while. So cool. So cool how it's so like it's just neat looking at stuff like this. Like there's all these little codes and all these little numbers, and it's just so neat seeing. Thank you so much, Bob. Bob, I really do appreciate you letting me take these home and looking at these, because this is awesome. I love doing these. I love doing these videos. I know I haven't done them in a long time. So this was the model of this one was called the Leviton. Wow, take it right apart. What the heck? This is awesome. Looks like there's copper in here, like copper wiring. Once again, the light. Sorry about the light, guys. That looks like copper in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that looks like a copper coil. That is so cool. Oh man, I did not think it was going to look like this at all when I saw this. This is awesome. That definitely looks like copper though. All right, you guys. Well, that's the video. That's it. Like, that's everything. I do have a battery, but I don't really want to be messing around with this. He gave me an extra lithium-ion battery, but I don't want to be messing around with that. I wouldn't be able to see anything anyway because it's all protected under the casing, and I don't really want to get battery juice everywhere. So I will be just tossing that one in the recycle bin for electronics and stuff. But yeah, that's it. That's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys like seeing cool things like this and that and stuff taken apart, definitely give me a thumbs up for this video. I love doing these what's inside videos. It's just so cool seeing what's inside stuff, and that's gonna be it for me. All right, I will catch you guys in another video later. Normal vlog will be up tomorrow. Just I didn't have any filming today, and then yeah, tomorrow's Friday. We got the big surprise coming tomorrow, and we'll show you guys that tomorrow. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Enjoy your Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, and we'll see you guys. This is the Happy Canadian saying peace out. Bye for now.